You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Oh, an interesting one. This is today a museum in Amsterdam in the Netherlands, so we're gonna have to look at how to pronounce it in Dutch, how it is pronounced, how they say it locally. For more names of famous places in the Netherlands, stay tuned. Rijksmuseum. Rijksmuseum. That's the Dutch pronunciation right here. If you cannot pronounce Dutch perfectly, you can say it as Rijks. Okay, Rijksmuseum. Rijksmuseum is how it is generally pronounced in English. For Dutch pronunciation again, Rijksmuseum. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.